Hello friends, today I am going to explain Magento 2.3 customer incorrectly receive newsletter unsubscribe email when account confirmation is enabled from admin end. Magento 2.3 customer incorrectly receive email message you have been unsubscribed from newsletter when account confirmation is enabled admin end. Magento 2.4 newsletter subscription email issue has been resolved when account confirmation is enabled admin end. Magento 2.4 customer getting correct newsletter subscription email when account confirmation is enabled admin end. Explain step-by-step process using Magento 2.4. Let us start. I am going to admin end of Magento 2.4. So first go to the store configuration, then customer, then customer configuration, and go to require email confirmation, that is by default set no, need to convert as yes. Then save it. So finally require email confirmation as yes. I am going to print end to create a customer account. I am going to put the customer account form fill up. First name, last name Donald, email, I am also clicking the sign up for newsletter, password, going to save as create account. Process running. So finally my account has been created and saying you must confirm your account. Please check your email for confirmation link or click here for new link. I am going to check my email, either I got email or not. So finally I got the email. You must confirm your account. I need to click here. So my account has been confirmed. And you can see this message came, newsletter subscription success. You can see you have been successfully subscribed to our newsletter. So after confirmation of my email, I'm getting this email by the Magento 2.4. So this issue has been resolved successfully in Magento 2.4. This is my confirm email. After this, clicking on the confirmation link. And now I'm going to required email confirmation is yes. In this case, I am getting the same message like you have been successfully subscribed to our newsletter. Our account, by the end of the database, this is saved. Newsletter subscription email saved in the table newsletter underscore subscribe. It's a running like Donald John D USA 102 Gmail, and customer entries stored inside of customer underscore entity table. So this process is running and resolved successfully in Magento 2.4. And another end, I'm going to explain also when required email confirmation is no. In that case, how we can check? So first I'm going to the and converting in the no. It is saving process running. So now you can check my required email confirmation no has been set. So I will use the same email ID. That's why first I need to delete this email ID from the database as well as the newsletter, so that I can create an account process again to check. Deleted this one, deleted this one also. Email also. So I'm going to click here again as a create account. First putting the first name John, sign up for newsletter, password, putting the password, now click on the create account and waiting for the email. Now account has been created. It didn't say like that my account has been, you need to click on your confirmation link for your email ID. I have directly redirected on my account page because I have set here like a require email confirmation no. Let me check email. So got the email like to sign direct email. To sign in by email or password, you can directly use in your email whatever password I have chosen. And also one important thing, newsletter subscription policy. process also got like you have been successfully subscribed to our newsletter. So this is the main issue that has been resolved in 2.4. In both cases, either I have checked this is require email confirmation yes, or either require email confirmation no. I check also database for the newsletter and subscription process for the customer underscore entity table. So friends, today hopefully you guys have got the good knowledge about the newsletter subscription process. That issue has been successfully resolved in the Magento 2.4. Hope you guys have very good knowledge about this project. Very soon I will come with new video. Please like, subscribe and share this video so that multiple persons can get the good knowledge about this tutorial. Thank you very much.